Remember when your entire enterprise fit into one building? That was nice. It was easy to work together. But you grew, and that was nice, except now it's really hard to collaborate. Users generate duplicate files. Backed up and archived, they create islands of storage and no way to tell which version is the latest. Not so nice. So hey, put it in the cloud. Centralize and reduce storage, simplify management. Awesome, right? Awesomely slow. Centralized doesn't equal fast. So cache the most used files locally and eliminate bandwidth issues to the cloud. But there's still the L word. Yep, latency. Because file locks are still in the cloud. You need a way to harness the economics and scale of the cloud without sacrificing rapid file access and easy collaboration. You need Panzura. With a Panzura controller at each of your sites, you can locally cache the files you use most and distribute the file locks, simplifying storage and solving latency. Here's how it works. Applications are chatty. Before they open, they run sequential file operations. With the lock in the cloud, every single file operation is a there and back trip. No big deal, right? Wrong. Here's the math. Say each file operation takes 50 milliseconds, and opening a file requires 15,000 file operations. That's 12.5 minutes. That's slow. With a Panzura controller, the file lock is next to the user, so the trip is short, fast, like a half millisecond, not 50. So those 15,000 operations only take, wait for it, 8 seconds. 12.5 minutes to 8 seconds. That's nice. Oh, one more thing. With Panzura, you get all this greatness and savings. Since Panzura deduplicates and compresses data on all tiers at all sites, you can reduce total storage by up to 90%. Panzura makes it possible for everyone to work like they are sitting in the same office again. And that's really nice. To find out more, visit panzura.com.